In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download photos from Google One. We will do it using Google Photos in your browser, which is where your Google One photo storage actually lives, so you can grab copies straight to your computer. First, open your browser and search for Google Photos. Type Google Photos into the search bar and press Enter. You should see a result with the Google Photos logo and the web address that starts with photos.google.com. The title usually just says Google Photos. This is the page where all your backed up photos and videos are managed. Next, click the correct Google Photos link and sign in with the Google account tied to your Google One plan. If you have more than one Google account, make sure you choose the same one you use for your Google One storage, or you might see an empty or different library. After signing in, you will land on the main Google Photos grid with your images laid out in rows by date. Now hover over the photos you want and click the checkmark icon in the top left corner of each image to select them. When you move your mouse over a photo, a faint gray circle appears in that corner. Click it and you will see a solid blue checkmark. The background of that photo will get a light highlight and a small counter appears at the top left of the page, showing how many items you have selected so far. You can scroll and keep clicking checkmarks on any other photos you want to include in the same download. Once you have chosen your photos, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. This opens a small menu of actions that apply to everything you selected. The menu usually includes options like download, share, and others, and you will see it drop down just below those three dots. If you do not see download, double-check that at least one photo is still selected by looking for that counter at the top. With the menu open, click Download, or press Shift and D on your keyboard. As soon as you do this, Google Photos starts preparing a copy of your selected photos. If you grabbed many images, it can take a short moment while it bundles them together. Most browsers show a small animation or progress indicator near the bottom or top edge of the window when the download begins. After that, your browser will save the images onto your hard drive as a compressed zip file. You will see a single file appear in your usual Downloads bar or Downloads folder with a name based on the date or album. Inside that zip file are all the photos you selected, ready for you to extract and use offline or move to another drive. You have now downloaded copies of your Google One photos from Google Photos straight to your computer. If this helped you get your pictures safely downloaded, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple walkthroughs.